Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel Home School, and today we are going to learn about animal and their young ones. So let's start. Dog and puppy. A baby dog is called a puppy. Cow and calf. A baby cow is called a calf. Cat and kitten. A baby cat is called a kitten. Tiger and cub. A baby tiger is called a cub. Hen and chick. A baby hen is called a chick. Sheep and lamb. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Elephant and calf. A baby elephant is called a calf. Duck and duckling. A baby duck is called a duckling. Deer and fawn. A baby deer is called a fawn. Bear and cub. A baby bear is called a cub. Horse and foal. A baby horse is called a foal. Pig and piglet. A baby pig is called a piglet. Goat and kid. A baby goat is called a kid. Rabbit and bunny. A baby rabbit is called a bunny. Buffalo and calf. A baby buffalo is called a calf. Butterfly and caterpillar. A baby butterfly is called a caterpillar. Panda and a cub. A baby panda is called a cub. Frog and tadpole. A baby frog is called a tadpole. Ant and pup. A baby ant is called a pup. Fox and kit. A baby fox is called a kit. Donkey and foal. A baby donkey is called a foal. Owl and owlet. A baby owl is called a owlet. Zebra and foal. A baby zebra is called a foal. Possum and joy. A baby possum is called a joy. Giraffe and calf. A baby giraffe is called a calf. Monkey and infant. A baby monkey is called a infant. Bee and larva. A baby bee is called a larva. Peacock and peacock. A baby peacock is called a peacock. Porcupine and porcupine. A baby porcupine is called a porcupine. Ostrich and chick. A baby ostrich is called a chick. Turtle and hatchling. A baby turtle is called a hatchling. So friends, for watching knowledgeable and interesting videos, please like and subscribe our channel Home School. Thank you.